Hello viewers, welcome to Civilworld 2.0 YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to export a DWG from Revit software. I just created on one wall. Actually, I will show you this project coordinate system central. So I will change this coordinate, for example 500. I will export the DWG file. Actually, there is four types of files, CAD files we can export from Revit. So one is the DWG, DXF, DGN and SAT file. Actually, most of things just use DWG only. It will you can edit over there, otherwise you can't edit. So while using two options, this export option, you can click three dots option. It will show your customize panel. You can create and customize setups, everything here itself. So first is the layer option, so you can change all those stuffs here, and line types you can assign here, and line patterns and hatch patterns and all you can assign here. Same text and font and color, and exporting to DWG means it will create solids or poly mesh types, so you can choose anyone. So here this is the major options, so you need to create a unit as per your requirement. So as per coordinate you can export. So now the condition is I'm not choosing internal origin, so I'm choosed shared coordinates. So I chose millimeter 2. So because we are using Plant 3D interface, collaboration softwares like Plant 3D, Civil 3D, whatever it is, so that case of that kind of models always used millimeter, so I am using millimeter export. So general criterias, if you can apply everything, just to give next. I will save somewhere. I will save to desktop itself. Name as a project 1. Actually, while using export option, use a lower version only, don't go higher version. So another option is naming. It will automatically fix prefix and suffix. Always switch off this export view on sheets and links as external reference, or once clicked means it will automatically create more files. So I just exported. I will open that file. is the not AutoCAD. This is Civil 3D. I'm opening this file. Now we are exporting that file. So you can check here. This is internal origin or shared coordinates and everything. So you can find out this coordinates and everything. So you can use id command, or otherwise you can use circle also. It will also show the coordinates and everything. Otherwise you can select and control 1, it will open properties. You can check here also this coordinates and everything. So model is now exported to DWG. I hope it will helpful your modeling stuffs. Thank you for watching.